Hey, what kind of mileage you get out of that thing? You know if you never service it, it's going to go down. Same thing's true with your heating and air conditioning. Do me a favor, when you get home, take a look at your filter. It should look like this. If it looks like this, replace it right away. It also needs more in-depth service a couple times a year. And that's where we come in. Go online to honeysair.net to schedule your appointment today. Click on the Boyette Special for a $69 precision tune-up.
Honey's Air and Solar, home of the no stinger promise.